Hello, everyone. I got my first birthday card. Woo, 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 woo. Hi, everyone. I got my first birthday card. I was so excited that I've already opened it. And I've used some of the little stickers that came inside, but I wanted you to see it. So, Crafty Chef Diamond, thank you very much for the first birthday card. I'm so excited. And there's another one. Yeah, there is. Okay, but first, let's look at this one. Now, this was my very first one, and I opened it already. And it says, to someone special, happy birthday. And some stickers came in it, which I've already used the original stickers. And this was one of the stickers. It was a diamond. And I put it on my tray already, my Creations Moran tray. She says, have a great day. Thank you for the card and diamonds for the Mr. Peacock. Oh, okay. I sent her a little thank you because they made me the event ambassador for Diamond Painting with Friends. So thank you, Laura. So this is another card I got from Laura. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. And it says it all the way around. It's so neat. I love it. Countdown to the Golden Girls. I love it. Nancy, so many good wishes are coming your way. Some for a sunny and wonderful day, and then many more for a very fine year. That's happy for you every day that it's here. Happy birthday, Chef Laura. Aw, I love it. So that makes two, two birthday cards. Oh, oh, look. It's a mouse-eared balloon. I'm going to have to go blow this one up and put helium in it. What do you think? I think I'm going to have to. It's a mouse balloon. Look. And I got some more stickers. Oh, yeah. I'm not a drinker. When I get drinks, they're usually virgin drinks. Let's spread them out a little bit. Aw, this plant looks like it's crying. Probably because this plant doesn't want to live to 60, but it can. I'm going to be 60. And I'm totally terrific. Thumbs up. Thumbs up, Laura. Thumbs up. So here is my second card with my mouse balloon. I'm so excited. 2 cards so far. 2. Ho, ho, ho. All right. Now, I've already opened this as well. And I had done a video, but I did not give proper thanks for this gift. These items came from Donna, from an administrator, the admin of Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. She sent me these items. I use this for my canvases. I use it as a weight for the plastic to put my trash drills in, Donna. I love it. And look at that. I got another nameplate. Ah! And I got something. I love the way they're wrapped. Diamond Painting with Friends Ambassador 2.0. What does this one say? Diamond Painting with Friends and 2.0 Ambassador. And then we have one more. Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 Ambassador. Okay. My question for you guys. We have Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 in black ink and Ambassador in white with all capital letters. We have Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 Ambassador. All the writing is in white. Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 Ambassador written in smaller letters, but they're capital letters. The Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 is in black, and this is in white. Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 is in black here, Ambassador in white, all white. What is your favorite? Put in the comments. I love these. I think I might put the winner. I personally like this one. This is my favorite. But I want to know what your favorites are. And this is one of also my favorite. This is going to be great for trash drills on my canvases. I can even put a magnet on the back and make it a cover minder. Yeah. And then I got all my stickers and my mouse balloon. Guys, so far this is a great birthday. Can't complain. I am enjoying it. And I'm going to put these stickers in with my other stickers. And they will be used for something. I don't know. But they will be used. They will be upcycled, I'm sure. Thank you so much, Laura and Donna and anyone else that helped contribute with Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. I feel the love. I really appreciate you guys. And if you have not already, check out the Facebook group, Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. Check it out. And if you know of any future events, put the link in the comments or let me know the name of the event and I'll look it up. Thank you, everyone, and be kind.